Hey, I'm Bruce. Welcome to this tutorial on how to get set up for teaching your online piano lessons. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get the setup I have here so that you can video call your students, show them your sheet music and highlight the keys that you're pressing all at the same time. Just a note, to be able to get the highlighted keys on screen you will have to have an electric piano or keyboard, but I will be showing you how to get the rest of the setup even if you don't have this. First things first, you need to have a device that you can video call on. This could be a phone, tablet or laptop, and you need to place it in a position where you can see yourself and the keyboard or piano clearly. This is how I set mine up. I sit here with my electric piano in front of me and I have my laptop set up on a chair with some cushions. It doesn't really matter where you have your device set up as long as it's sturdy for the video call. Now that you have your basic setup, I will show you how to video call and show your students your sheet music. To get your sheet music up, all I've done is scan my files through to my laptop and then you can open them up from here. To video call, I prefer to use Skype, but you can use other apps such as Zoom. Both you and your student will need to create an account with these. With Skype, enter the username of the person you wish to call and then click on this icon up here so that you can video call them. Hi!
Hello!
Once you're in the call, click on the three dots at the bottom and press share screen. It will lead onto a prompt screen. All you have to do is click share screen again. And now you're sharing your screen with your student. For this part, you're going to need an electric piano or keyboard and you're going to connect it to the device that you've been video calling on. As you'll be connecting this via USB, the device that you're video calling on will likely have to be a laptop or computer. To connect the piano, you will have to have a MIDI to USB interface cable, which looks like this. You can buy these online for about £10. I'll put a link in the description below. Now, to save you a little bit of money, I took this from the printer that I have. Now I'll show you how to get your light up keys. To get the light up keys, I use an app called MIDIculous, but you can download any other virtual keyboards online. All you have to do is type virtual keyboard on Google and see the options. When you open up your software, it should recognise your keyboard or electric piano when it's plugged in, so that when you press the keys, they will highlight on screen like this. Once you have done this, move the window so that the keys cover the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Then you want to open up your sheet music in the browser and cover the top left-hand side of the screen. Resize it so you get the largest possible view. Once you've done all that, then you want to Skype call. With Skype, move the window over to the right-hand side of the screen so that you can clearly see your student when you call them. And this is what your screen will look like. For your student, this is how it will look on a mobile phone. I've adjusted the position of the sheet music to achieve this. And that's your setup complete. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I'll try my best to answer. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.